Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on how to draw cartoons. And I'm going to be sharing with you how to take color crayons, well, not crayons really, but a pencil. That's right, you know, like my supersized pencil, and I'm going to be drawing a box of crayons. All right, so if you have your, again, pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson on how to draw a little box of crayons. Well, what I want you to take home from this lesson is there's stuff all around you, like maybe a lunchbox, a clock, or even like this big pencil. And put two little eyeballs on there and a little smiley face, and you create a little cartoon. So anywhere around where you are right now, just look around and you might find something that is easy to put a little face on there. That's using your creativity and your imagination, what I want you to really play around with. With my series, I want to focus on your sketching and using your creativity. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. And if you have, I want to say thanks a lot. And as always, have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.